Getting onto the throne of American power has never been easy. Let's get to look at the scenario between Kennedy and Lincoln. Have a history teacher explain to you this if they can. Abraham Lincoln was elected to Congress in 1846, while Kennedy was elected in 1946. Lincoln was elected president in 1860, while Kennedy was elected in 1960. Both Abraham Lincoln and JF Kennedy were particularly concerned with civil rights. Both wives lost a child while living in the White House. Both presidents were shot on Friday, and both of them were shot in the head. How it gets weird. Lincoln's secretary was named Kennedy, and Kennedy's secretary was named Lincoln. Both were assassinated by Southerners. Both were also succeeded by Southerners named Johnson. John Wilkes Booth, who assassinated Lincoln, was born in 1839. Lee Harvey Oswald, who assassinated Kennedy, was born in 1939. Lincoln was shot in a theater named Ford. Kennedy was shot in a Lincoln car made by Ford. Both Oswald and Booth were killed before their trials. A week before Lincoln was shot, he was in Monroe, Maryland. A week before Kennedy was shot, he was with Marilyn Monroe. Lincoln was shot in a theater and the assassin ran to a warehouse. Kennedy was shot from a warehouse and ran to a theater. You've been with me, Martin O'Brien.